Hi everyone, I'm back today. I'll be teaching you about understanding, you know, if about understanding comprehension, like if you understand something or if you don't understand or things like that. So let's get started. አልገባኝም 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 means I don't understand that. አልገባኝም ይናገራሉ 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 Do you speak? It could be used for male or female. መናገር means speaking. ተናጋሪ አለ ተናጋሪ አለ Does anyone here speak? And if you want to say like does anyone speak English? English means እንግሊዘኛ እንግሊዘኛ ተናጋሪ አለ means does anyone speak English? ተናጋሪ አለ እንግሊዘኛ ተናጋሪ አለ መናገር means speaking, that's hint. ተናጋሪ አለ Does anyone speak here? It's just repeating it. እባክዎን ይጻፉልኝ እባክዎን ይጻፉልኝ means could you write that down please? It could be used for male or female. እባክዎን ይጻፉልኝ እባክዎን ይጻፉልኝ እባክዎ means please እባክዎ means please እባክዎ ሊደግሙልኝ ይችላሉ እባክዎ ሊደግሙልኝ ይችላሉ Could you please repeat that? Could you please repeat that? It could be used for male or female. As you see, it's keep repeated. This እባክዎ means please. አንድ አፍታ ይቆዩኝ አንድ አፍታ ይቆዩኝ Just a moment please. አንድ አፍታ ይቆዩኝ አንድ አፍታ ይቆዩኝ Here again, እባክዎ means please. Remember that እባክዎ is always please. አመሰግናለሁ አመሰግናለሁ means thank you. I would also like to say thank you for watching and please follow us, like us and subscribe us to see more videos of about Ethiopian culture. Ethiopianism is all about creating a new culture, inclusive culture, sharing what we have in our cultural values. So please be with us, stay with us. Thank you so much for watching.